Welcome to Casa Aya Private Villa and Events Place, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Porac Pampanga. Discover luxury in the most unexpected place. Step into Casa Aya, where every detail is designed for your comfort and enjoyment. This is not just a retreat, it's an unforgettable experience. Our villa boasts spacious accommodations for groups up to 36 guests. Enjoy the privacy of 6 air-conditioned rooms, each meticulously designed for your relaxation. The master's bedroom offers ultimate comfort with a king-size bed, a queen-size bed, and an ensuite bathroom. Plus, there are additional outdoor toilets and shower rooms for your convenience. Entertainment is taken care of with complimentary use of a smart video setup, complete with a smart TV, speakers, mic, and access to your favorite tunes on YouTube. Make your splash at Casa Aya, where every day is a pool day in paradise. Unwind, refresh, and create memories that last a lifetime. Cook up a storm in our kitchen, equipped with all the essentials: a gas stove, microwave, griller, refrigerator, freezer, and more. It's perfect for preparing delicious meals during your stay. And here's a special treat. Casa Aya offers free electric car charging for all our guests, embracing sustainability without compromising on luxury. Sweeping views of the villa's exterior and parking area. Whether you're here for a getaway or a special event, Casa Aya Private Villa and Events Place promises a one-of-a-kind experience that will leave you with cherished memories. Book your stay now and unlock the extraordinary at Casa Aya, your jewel by the farm.